once y'all see the jail braids, y'all know we have a wig video. We have a bad install. Round of applause. This is called 30 inches body wave bust down, period. That's what she's called. Let's take her out the package. First of all, when I got this wig, I was like, I'm in love. And guess where she's from? Amazon. So it was sent to me from a company of Amazon. So I'm like, why not do an installation video for you guys? Because I did say I'm gonna be back in my Zoom, so why not do a wig video? So this is her. This is how she's looking. Very bouncy. No, but what you itch up yourself, not your time. Very cute, and we love her. She came pre-plucked, but you know, we're gonna go in and do our own little plucking just to let it look more scalp-like. So this is how she's looking after I've plucked her. Then we'll come back and get straight into the install. So guys, I did my ball cap method. I put the foundation on my lace and I cut out the ear tabs. So we're just gonna get straight into installing the wig. By the way guys, I accidentally bored a hole in the wig, so we're just gonna pluck back so we can have space. So guys, I'm adding my glue. So guys, initially I did the ball cap method. However, the edge control that I used to sleek my edges back for the ball cap method, it was way too greasy and it was just clashing with the holding spray that I used on the wig cap. So it was sliding off like crazy, lifting up. I was so frustrated to the point where, oh my god, I was going to end this video. But my senses clicked in and I just took off the wig cap completely. I just took it off and I used the glue on my bare skin. So as you guys can see, I am just working the glue in. I used 3 coats and I used my air dryer to allow it to dry quickly, just to speed up the process. Once it dried clear, then I laid the wig on top of the glue, directly on top of the glue, and I just used my hands to push it in, and I also used my comb to just really push it into that glue so that it can hold and lay the way I want it to. Boy, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna go through it. I went through it with that wig cap. I hate doing ball cap method so much, but I'm just practicing it more so I can get a hang of it. But I hate doing ball cap methods. Oh my god. So guys, the wig is melting. First of all, this glue is very strong. I'm going to cut off the excess lace. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss. We're doing this in zigzag motion, okay? So guys, this is how it's looking after I added foundation, and this is without the foundation, so pretty scalp-like. So now I'm using my wax stick, and this is gonna help to get that wig flat. So if you see that you're doing your wig installs and your wig just looks so puffy, so high, and no matter how much you pluck, it's just not going down, sis, maybe you need to try using a wax stick and using that hot comb and pressing the hell out of that wig. So guys, I hot combed and melted the front. I also put some concealer here just to define the line. I brushed out the original curls that came with the wig because I am going to be wanding it to my liking. So this is my wand. It has a 4 temperatures: 310, 330, 360, and 400. So I'm going to put it on 360 so that it can heat up quickly, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the curls. I already started from the back, so this is the curl that I'm with, and I'm going to just do the rest of the hair, and you guys will see how it looks at the end.
result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feel. Cause I did win by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl.
I'm wearing the no baby hair look. I just think it just gives adults and it looks so cute. It's eating, period. So if you guys enjoy this install, definitely like and comment and let me know. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another wig video. Mwah.